pass ourselves. Right through the Jeep. Make the big off here, highlight it. Then we start going into the car show. Stay out speed. Cars today, actually not as much as last time. Awesome. Gonna highlight our little dog. Woo. Awesome. Alright. Past that. Love these American muscle cars, muscle trucks. Awesome. Nice mods. Let's do it. Alright, you guys just have to help me tackle the cars that you see because I'm not really a car guy. I don't really know. Cool, I like this. Alright, looks like a race flag. Perfect. Let's get going. Oh, these are all actually Subarus. That is so cool. Next, let's highlight the boots. What we got here, Hot Wheel Racing. So if you wanted to do Hot Wheel Racing, there's going to be a really nice track that you can come here. Alright, so what is this? Awesome. Gus Burrito, Papa Eats. Milestone Tires.